Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we are going to show you how to set up and utilize our push-to-talk calling feature. To get started with our push-to-talk calling feature, from your DialMyCalls dashboard, click Other Services and then click on Push-to-Talk from the drop-down menu. To utilize DialMyCalls' push-to-talk feature, you will need to add funding to your account. The initial deposit required is $25 and you will have the option to set the amount that will auto-replenish when that initial deposit runs out. Push-to-Talk will deduct 5 cents per minute on connected calls from your balance when the feature is used on voice broadcasts. Once your account reaches $10, it will automatically replenish your push-to-talk funding. Once push-to-talk funding has been added to your account, you can now use it on voice broadcasts. Click on New Broadcast from the top of your screen, select Voice as the type, and then click Next. Select the contacts that will receive your voice broadcast with the push-to-talk feature added to it. Click Next once your contacts are selected. Select your caller ID from the drop-down menu. This will be the caller ID that your recipients will see when they receive your broadcast. Scroll down and you will see Push-to-Talk from the list of extra features to add to your voice broadcast. Check off Add the Push-to-Talk option to this broadcast to open up the advanced menu. The number to forward to will be where your recipients will be sent when they hit 0 on their phone during your voice broadcast recording. You can also choose to have wait music play while the call is being connected to your number. The calls per minute dropdown allows you to throttle your push-to-talk phone calls. Please note how many contacts your broadcast is going to and make sure you know exactly how long the broadcast will take if you choose to throttle the calls. You can select the call to action, and typically our customers record it into their own message. When creating a recording, add push 0 to speak to a representative now. Once you are done setting up all of the options, click Next. Select the recording that you are sending your voice broadcast recipients, and once you are done, click Next. You now have the option to send your broadcasts immediately or at a later date and time. For this tutorial, we are going to select Send Now and then hit the Next button. It's now time to review the information for your voice broadcast with Push-to-Talk added. Once you have reviewed all of the information, click Send Broadcast Now. Once your broadcast has been sent out, you should begin receiving calls to the phone number you picked for your Push-to-Talk campaign. Click on Reports to view the detailed statistics once your broadcast is complete. The reports will show how many contacts utilized Push-to-Talk and how many minutes were used on that specific broadcast. That concludes our tutorial video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us toll free at 800-928-2086 or send an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a great day.